Hey party planners, ready to groove? Today I will show you how to craft the ultimate Spotify party playlist in no time. Let's dive in. Log into your Spotify account, head to your library and hit plus sign to make a new playlist. Name it something fun that matches your party vibe. Click add to playlist option, search your favorite tracks and the plus to add them. Mix genres for variety and high energy. Drag to rearrange tracks. Click the three dot to edit or remove songs. Your playlist, your rules. Wanna make it team efforts? Click the three dot button and choose invite collaborators. Share via social or copy the link to spread the group. And that's the Beats to Killer Party playlist. Hit like, subscribe for more and let's get this party started.